5 to the power of x equal 1 over 25. Whoa, hold on. How's this looking? This looking so confusing. How? 1 over 25. Okay guys, hold on. Don't freak out. Do not panic. We got this under control. So what you do here, you write 5 to the power of x equal 1 over. You see 25 there at the bottom? You can express it as is 25 over 5 to the power of 2. Okay, that is 25. Okay, so write it 5 to the power of 2. Okay, now what you do here, algebraically, do you remember that if a number is expressed like this, 5 to the power of 2, we can express it as is 5 to the power of negative 2, because the 2 swap up. Okay, it swaps up and it becomes negative to the power. Okay, yeah, so that's what you do guys. There's nothing to worry about, there's nothing to be confused. Yay. And what you do when the base is looking the same, you just drop it away. X equal negative 2. Simple. Simple guys. Simple. Thank you. That's the answer. We move to the next one. Oh, now we have 2 to the power of x minus 1. Or 2 to the power of x equal 1 over 36. Same thing, we're just doing it over again. Okay guys, 6 to the power of x equal 1 over 6 to the power of 2. 6 square equal 36. Okay, yes. So what you do the same thing that I showed you. 1 over 2 to the power of 6 can be expressed as follows. 6 over 6 to the power of negative 2. Okay, 6 to the power of x equal 6 to the power of negative 2. And what you do with the base, you just drop it away. Okay, x equal negative 2. Simple. Okay guys, simple. We move to the next one. Okay, next one. Boom. First one looking good. How you solve this? Okay, you know guys, I got you. So 3 to the power of 2 bracket x minus 1 equal. So what you do, you just write it as, okay, not prime factor. 3 square equal 9. Okay, write it 3 square. Okay, yeah. Now the base are the same. Once the base looking the same, you drop it away guys. Drop the base away. Drop it away. 2 bracket x minus 1 is equal 2. Equal 2. Okay, so this is now it looks simple to solve. Okay, so what you do here, you multiply the bracket. 2 times x, it will be 2x. 2 times negative 1, it will be negative 2 equal 2. Now we have actual linear equation. So what you do here, you cross the normal numbers over there, you isolate the x. Okay, so it's gonna be 2 plus 2, because remember this 2 here, we cross it over there and it's become positive 2. Okay, yeah, 2x equal 4 equal 4. 2 divided by 2, 2x divided by 2, 4 divided by 2, x equal 2. That is the answer.